Stock, crypto, credit, moves. Good evening, YouTube. We back for another baked beans video. Just a quick update. We sitting at 25,980.438 BNB. I'm sitting at 465,092,774 beans. Guys, this is a monster. It just continues to grow. So let's pull up the income calculator. And let's see where we are sitting. I try to do an update every other day. So we're sitting at about $710 a day. And I'll just continue to do updates on baked beans. I'm going to compound for the next 5 days, and I'm going to withdraw on the 6th day, and I'll be pulling out $1,043, and then I'll compound the next 6 days, and then I'll withdraw. So that's going to be my strategy going forward. But guys, this is a blessing to be a part of. The developers of baked beans, they did a great job with this platform, and I've never been a part of a community that's been so locked in. Everybody's doing the 61, 6 days baking, 1 day withdrawal. And as you see, if you follow that strip, your income just continues to grow. It just continues to grow. Let's take a look at the contract. Baked beans contract is 10 million now. 25,977 BNB contracts. You see the flow in and out. Someone just bought 17 BNBs. So they put $68,000 in the beans, guys. Guys, it's not too late. It's not too late to get in. I'm going to put my referral link in the description. This is not financial advice. You guys put in what you can afford to lose. Like, share, subscribe. All I have to say is the bakehouse is baking. Until next time, let's get our beans up. I'm out.